Hi everyone, my name is Tristan Campbell. I'm an instructional designer here for the Curriculum Center of Family and Consumer Sciences at Texas Tech University. In this tutorial, we'll be utilizing the accessibility checker along with a checklist that you see on this page to work with a document to make it meet accessibility guidelines. However, if you want a more in-depth view of the elements and the checklist that we will be going over today, make sure that you check out our YouTube channel and the additional videos that we have. Thank you, and let's get started. Now, the checklist that we will be utilizing today was created by our Texas Tech University eLearning and academic partnerships. And the first item on that checklist deals with headings and structures. This ensures ease of navigation for your users who are utilizing screen readers. Now, the first step to identify headings and structures is to highlight the title of your document. In the Styles section, select the drop-down arrows, and then you can select Title. From here, you can select your headings. Using your Control key, you can highlight multiple line items. Use your drop-down arrows again and select Heading 1. Now you'll notice as I do this, the formatting of the text does change. To address this, go ahead and take a look at our headings and structure tutorial guide, and I'll give you a more in-depth look at this process. To confirm your navigation, you can go to View here at the top, select the navigation pane, and you can see the structure starting to form within your document. In another tutorial, we dive deeper into how to ensure images are meeting accessibility standards. However, for this checklist, we at least want to make sure that all images have alternative text assigned to them. To do this, you first want to select your image, right-click on it, and select the option View Alt Text near the bottom. From here, Microsoft Word will open up a window pane for alternative text. And then you can write your alternative text description so that users who are utilizing screen readers can hear a description of the image that you have provided within your document. The next item on our checklist addresses hyperlinks. We always want to provide descriptive language when creating hyperlinks as opposed to the URL web address or language such as click here or right here. So to update our hyperlinks, you want to highlight your hyperlink, right-click on it, and then select the Edit Hyperlink option from the drop-down menu bar. From here, you'll have the Text to Display option where you can update the language of your hyperlink to make it a more descriptive and note where the hyperlink is taking the user, the destination of the hyperlink. Once complete, select OK, and your hyperlink is updated. We also want to update our click here. So I'm going to right-click on that hyperlink as well, select Edit Hyperlink, and update this hyperlink verbiage to include a more descriptive language. As we modify our document to make sure that it is meeting accessibility standards for screen readers, we also want to make sure that our color contrast ratio works for users who have minor visual impairments as well. And a great way to do this is to utilize the Web and Contrast Checker website. And what this does is allows you to insert your text color as well as your background color to confirm if it's passing or failing the color contrast ratio. And I'll include this link within the description of our YouTube video. As you'll discover in our table accessibility tutorial, we want to make sure that we keep our table simple, meaning we want to outline a header row and a first column. We do not want to merge or split cells in our table. We want to easily be able to utilize the tab key to navigate through each cell, which will mean a screen reader can do the same in reading the text within each cell. Lastly, we want to right-click on our table, pull up the table properties, and make sure that we have an alternative text description assigned to our table. When creating ordered lists or unordered lists, which are bullet points, always make sure that you're using the option within the paragraph section to create your numbered ordered list or your bulleted list so screen readers recognize this while reading text to students. When you get ready to save and export your Word document as a PDF, go to File up at the top and select Save as Adobe PDF. What we do not want to do is select Print and print as a PDF. This will save your Word document as an image and it will not be an accessible PDF for your users. Instead, make sure you select Save as Adobe PDF and then save your file accordingly. Now, the last item on our checklist is the accessibility checker, which Microsoft Word will run an audit to make sure that your document meets accessibility guidelines. However, Microsoft Word might not capture all the issues with your document, which is why the checklist is so important. Now, to access the accessibility checker, go up to Review at the top and then select the Check Accessibility icon. From here, Microsoft Word will run an audit and it'll show you the errors that you have as well as some warnings that need to be addressed as well. To further dive into your errors, click the drop down arrow. And if I select this picture 9, it'll bring me to the picture that needs remediation. And it'll also offer me near the bottom why I need to fix this error as well as the steps to fix the issue that I'm having with my accessibility. All right, well, that will wrap up our tutorial for today on our checklist. Thank y'all.